Hello, my name is Carly. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making quick and easy little potpourri sachets, which you can make with different dried flowers. You can even use some from your garden. This is dried mint and dried lavender. Very simple and easy. I have a little bag like this. You can get them off the internet or in the craft stores perhaps, or even make them if you want to. You just take it like this. And right here I have, oh, it's falling out on me, peach blossom. I'm gonna make this one with some peach blossom here. You can, let me just move the camera a little bit so you can see, squish it up a little bit if I want to. Fill the bag up here a little bit with some peach blossom. Squishing it down because sometimes that can release some of the scent. And perhaps I want to put a little bit of a different scent. Maybe I want to try some of the fresh lavender that I have. It's kind of dried. See, like this. And I don't want the stem in there, so I broke it off. Smells really good. And I can leave it whole like this, or I can break it up. Just depends on what you want to do. Take off the stem. Here's the stem, doesn't have a scent. Started to fill up the bag here, as you can see. And you just, you can use any fragrant flower that you have, roses, let's see, of course, lavender. I even have some mint here I can put in. We're just making it like a mix potpourri here. You can have it with just one scent. Had a little bit of trouble opening this little bag. I did not want to. There we go. So just take some mint leaves. I'm smelling it. See if it's got some scent here. Are you sure? Because it's dried. Maybe a little bit more lavender here. Maybe some more peach blossom. So we put a little bit in there. It's basically as your leisure what you would like it to smell like. Does it smell nice to you? It's starting to smell really nice to me. little bit more mint. And a little bit more lavender. Maybe I will clean up my workspace and just put what fell out in here. Good idea. And then when you're happy with it, or if you would like to enhance, let me just move this camera. If you'd like to enhance it, you can use some essential oils. You can use like grapefruit here, I got, you can see, or I got some lavender oil. If you wanted to have that little extra punch, I just put a couple drops onto it. Just a couple. As you like it, basically. Pull the strings shut, like this has. And you can fill this up as much as you want. If you want it to be full, more full, go ahead. It just depends on the size of your little bag that you might have to fill it with. It's just a little sachet. Smells really good, really of lavender and mint. The peach blossom has a bit of a scent, but it's not as strong as the mint or lavender is. And there you have it. You can hang this up by, I don't know, by your pillow or in your bathroom, any place you want a little bit of, any place you want to have nice scent. And it's, easy and fun to do. These bags I got them in a whole pack of dried flowers off of Amazon. Like jasmine. There's different ones, and you just choose what you like and customize it to your like. If you like a more subtle scent, go for subtle. If you want a stronger scent, like this one, go for stronger. I hope you enjoy this craft. Please like and subscribe my video. It really helps me out, and I would really love to have you as a subscriber. I hope you have a great day, and that's all for now.